So we're going to walk through three different equations here. So the idea is to, first of all, look at the side of the equation that has the variable resting on it. So what I mean by that is find the equal sign. Okay, so here it is. That's the equal sign there. And then I want you to consider that there's two sides. You have this side, this left side here that I'm highlighting in magenta. And then you also have the right side, which is highlighted now in green, and that's just a constant. So if you look on the left side in magenta, there is the variable. You can see it, okay? And then on the right side, there is no variable. So we're going to focus on the left side that has the variable. So once we do that, what I want you to now do is to focus in on the constant on that side, which in this case is 25. What we're going to do with that constant is we're going to eliminate it, okay, simply by subtracting it. In other words, taking the opposite sign of it. Right now, this 25 that we're looking at is positive, okay, it's a positive 25. So what we're going to do is just eliminate it, subtract it out. A lot of people say, subtract on both sides, so you would see this, okay. But I think it might be easier just to eliminate the one side and show it over here. So in any event, what we're going to do is keep that variable term 2y and just do 47 minus 25, which is 22. Now at this point, what you're going to do is just eliminate the coefficient by reversing out that multiplication, because that's 2 times y. So all you would now do is divide the other side by 2, and now you have a solution of y equals 11. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. So once again, take a look at the side that has the variable term on it. Which side is it? Is it the left or the right? Well, here's the left side. I only see a constant of 4 over here. Here's the right side, and I do see a variable term, 7f, over here. So we're going to focus on that side. Okay, so focusing on that side, I want to find the constant value, and that's 18 right here, and it's positive. So what we're going to do is subtract 18 from 4. Now, since I'm taking away more than I have over there, I'm going to have a negative answer. Okay, so we're going to do 18 minus 4, which is, of course, 12. Okay, or 14, excuse me, 14. And you're going to keep that negative sign in there. Okay, so we're going to call that negative 14. Okay, and the reason this is, if you think about it, think of a number line. Okay, we start out with positive 4, but we're taking away 18, so we're going to end up all the way on the other side of 0. Okay, so again, 18 minus 4 is 14. It stays negative. All right, so we're left with 7f equals negative 14. Okay, at this point now I want you to reverse out that multiplication. The 7 times f. Okay, we can do that with division. Okay, negative 14 divided by 7. All right, the answer is going to be negative 2. Rules of operations dictate that when you're doing division and the signs of the numbers are different, okay, this is a positive 7. When the signs are different, the answer is going to be negative. And finally, one more, again, take a look at the side with the variable. That's going to be the left side, okay, and I want to focus in on this constant, positive 4. So once again, we're going to minus 4, okay, and that's going to leave us with 5x equals 15. Okay, and reverse out that multiplication. So it's going to leave us with x equals 3 because we divided this by 3.